I'm doing an unboxing of a pair of Thursday boots. These are the matte black Legends. They're Chelsea. This is a nice black box. Nice wrapping. Each one is wrapped individually in their own bag. Smell of leather is very strong in these. And to compare, I also have their Captains and Tobacco. I love these boots, also from Thursday Boots. I just wanted ones with laces and then ones without laces I can just slip on. Just a couple more extra views and different lighting. These do come with a 360-degree Goodyear welt. So two of the Chelseas come with a Storm welt, but the matte blacks just come with a Goodyear welt. And I believe it's the Falcon and the brown of the Tobacco that has that Goodyear welt. But this one, or the Storm welt, this one has the Goodyear welt there.